How to use Microsoft Word easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word like a professional and make templates and designs and letters and whatever you want on it in easy fast way. So first thing, go to Microsoft Word. Now on this home page, all what you have to do to become professional on the Word is choose what type of document that you want to create on it. If it is a holiday, something, gift or card or whatever, click on holiday. If it is a letter, click on letter like this, and it will give you, for example, many letters. And also for the cards, click on cards, and it will give you many cards. As you can see, all what you have to do is choose the card that you want, for example this one, and click on create like this. And now change the text by clicking on it like this, and change, for example, your email, and you can add your email right here, for example jacob.com. change the name. It's very easy to use, trust me. You can become professional in less than 5 minutes of using it. And after you finish, click save right here on here and choose where you want to save it. And it's very easy to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe.